Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I'll show you how to change AliExpress password. First of all, open AliExpress application on your device and then access your account at the bottom side of your screen, and here in the top right corner tap Settings. This is gear icon, and here go to your profile at the top and then go to account information, and you see section password. And now AliExpress asks you to enter email verification code. So simply enter your verification code that will be sent to your email address that you have connected to your AliExpress account, and then eventually change your password. So that's basically it. I hope you find this video helpful, and if so, please leave your thumbs up and please consider subscribing to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.